Every process begins long before the factory floor, in controlled and regulated environments.
Health, traceability, and control define the first step of the journey. Every detail is monitored to meet strict processing standards. Only approved batches move forward in the chain. Traceability follows every unit without exception. Movement is controlled, calm, and deliberate. Biosecurity protects both product and people. The transition from farm to facility begins here. Final clearance confirms compliance. Preparation ensures stability and safety.
Transport conditions are tightly controlled.
Once sealed, the chain cannot be broken.
The journey toward processing now begins. From controlled harvest, the process advances to the factory. Controlled transport preserves integrity from farm to facility.
Conditions are monitored every kilometer of the route.
Regulation follows the product beyond the farm.
Clearance keeps the chain unbroken.
The processing district comes into view.
Every arrival is controlled and recorded.
Digital systems verify identity on entry.
The internal flow begins immediately. Precision positioning sets the next step. Verification continues before opening.
The facility receives its input. Environmental balance is maintained.
Supervision ensures protocol compliance.
Inspection precedes every transfer.
Transport ends where processing begins. The facility stands as the central point of transformation.
Every movement follows a planned flow.
Entry marks the transition from transport to processing. Hygiene protects every stage inside. The internal layout guides the entire process.
Oversight ensures accuracy from the first step.
Processing begins beyond this point. The receiving floor sets the pace. Transfer initiates controlled movement. Precision ensures uninterrupted flow.
Digital identification follows every batch.
Flow is designed without interruption. Each zone announces its purpose.
Teams synchronize at every transition.
The next phase begins inside. Cleaning is the first transformation inside the plant. Controlled handling defines the process. The line moves forward with purpose. Initial rinsing removes surface contaminants. Human inspection complements automation. Separation begins immediately.
Sorting ensures uniformity downstream.
Mechanical precision maintains consistency.
Secondary rinsing refines cleanliness.
Excess moisture is removed early.
Verification locks in the decision.
The line prepares for transformation.
The next stage awaits. Conditions change for precision work. This is where processing truly begins.
Core processing begins under strict control.
Welfare standards guide every action.
Enclosure ensures consistency and safety. Automation delivers repeatable results. Cleanliness is reinforced at every step. Temperature control preserves quality.
Precision defines the core operation.
Human oversight remains essential. Clean separation continues. Uniformity is enforced digitally. Refinement follows the primary cut. Hygiene is continuous, not occasional. The product advances toward transformation. The next phase is clearly defined. Transformation begins at scale.
This stage reshapes raw input into structured product.
Automation brings consistency to every cut. Alignment prepares for controlled transformation. Temperature becomes a key variable. Stability is engineered, not assumed. Controlled cooling locks in structure. Moisture is managed with precision.
Data verifies transformation in real time.
Human skill refines machine output.
Standards are enforced twice. Efficiency is measured continuously.
Parallel processing increases capacity.
Flow reunites without interruption. Automation now takes the lead. Scale meets precision. Automation scales precision across the facility. Repeatability defines automated handling. Machine vision corrects every deviation. Automation refines without interruption. Cleanliness is built into the cycle. Spacing sets the rhythm of the line.
Quality checks happen instantly.
Issues are isolated, not amplified.
Parallel paths maintain efficiency. Data unifies the system. Verification never pauses production. Synchronization prevents bottlenecks. Preparation leads into precision loading. Consistency is engineered. Automation hands off to finishing.
Finishing defines the final form.
Precision begins with alignment. Refinement removes irregularity.
Human touch perfects the finish.
Clean and dry, ready for sealing. Spacing ensures consistency. Vision systems verify appearance.
Confirmed. Standards are confirmed in person.
Sealing preparation begins. Air is removed. Freshness preserved.
Integrity is non-negotiable.
Identity is permanently attached.
Final confirmation before quality control.
Finished product enters verification.
Verification begins here. Verification safeguards every finished unit. Sampling is systematic, not random. Traceability is confirmed digitally. Packaging strength is verified. Temperature compliance protects quality.
Laboratory checks extend beyond the line.
Results are accelerated without compromise. Compliance is confirmed scientifically. Experienced eyes add assurance.
Authorization clears the way forward.
Approved product rejoins the flow.
Separation protects overall integrity.
Clearance is granted. The final stage approaches. Verified product moves to dispatch.
Packaging prepares the product for the outside world. Uniform packaging begins with structure.
Automation ensures repeatable packing. Seals protect contents in transit. Every box carries its identity. Individual units become bulk shipments. Stability is locked in. Storage preserves quality until dispatch. Inventory remains transparent. Dispatch lines up the final step. The product leaves under control. Security continues to the end.
And this is how modern factories produce python meat from start to finish.
The journey continues beyond the factory. Industry moves forward through precision and control.